Top 10. Top 10 fastest animals. 10. Brown hare. The brown hare's long back legs enable them to reach speeds of 77 km per hour, 48 miles per hour, the same speed as their predator the red fox. 9. Blue wildebeest. The blue wildebeest, springbok and Thompson's gazelle can all run at about 80 km per hour, 50 miles per hour, which almost exactly matches the top speed of a lion. 8. Marlin. Marlin can swim at 80 km per hour, 50 miles per hour, just beaten for the title of the world's fastest fish by the super speedy sailfish. 7. Pronghorn antelope. The pronghorn antelope is the second fastest land animal and at 98 km per hour, 60 miles per hour, can outsprint predators. 6. Sailfish. The sailfish is easily the world's fastest fish, speeding through the water at 110 km per hour, 68 miles per hour. 5. Cheetah. The cheetah is skilled at running down fast prey and can reach a top speed of 113 km per hour, 70 miles per hour. That's 3 times faster than the top running speed for a human, which is about 36 km per hour. 4. Spur-winged goose. The spur-winged goose is the world's largest goose and can fly at 142 km per hour, 88 miles per hour. 3. Frigate bird. The frigate bird's speed of 153 km per hour, 95 miles per hour, is helped by having the largest wingspan to body weight ratio of any bird. They are able to stay aloft for more than a week at a time. 2. Whitethroat needletail. The whitethroat needletail, also known as the spine-tailed swift, is the fastest bird in powered flight, with a top recorded speed of 171 km per hour / 106 mph. 1. Peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird, and in fact the fastest animal on the planet, when in its hunting dive, the stoop, in which it soars to a great height, then dives steeply at speeds of over 322 km per hour, 200 miles per hour. It reaches horizontal cruising speeds of up to 90 km per hour, 56 miles per hour.